Hey guys, what is up? This is Lsaverftw here. Welcome back to my channel and also welcome back to a brand new sneaker review. So today we're going to be talking about this Nike SB Nyjah Free 2 skateboarding sneaker that just recently released. So I was pretty hyped in seeing the first images of this pair of sneakers. I went to my local mall to see if they had them sitting around, and the reason why I'm doing this video is because so many people had questions regarding the fit of the sneaker, and I was in the market of purchasing a new pair of skateboarding sneakers. Let's just jump straight into it. Right here we get this new Nike SB purple shoebox. If any of you guys are curious about the size, right here, size 10. Once you guys unbox them, this is how the shoes come out exactly right there. Boom. This is gonna be the Summit white colorway with the contrast of black. So let me just show you guys some views on this pair of sneakers right here. We have the side, the front, kind of like the top view, the other side, and the back of the sneaker, and also we have the bottom soles. On the inside we have this really thin insole with Nike SB stamped on it. It just says an athlete insole designed by Nike. The first major changes that I want to talk about with this pair of sneaker with you guys is gonna be the new tongue that they added versus the previous inner sock one-piece shoe that they had from the Nyjah 1s versus the Nyjah 2s. This loose tongue right here allows more flexibility, and also it does give you more width with the shoe versus the previous model. If we look at the new lacing system right here, it does give you a little bit more structure when you guys are roping up the laces. It does keep your foot placement locked in real tight, especially with this new lacing system. Right here on the top we have the tongue add-on that has Nyjah dead in the middle. Rope laces, you do have more versatility in mixing and matching laces if you guys do decide on doing that. So the mesh lining has been added, and it does make the shoe a lot more breathable, especially when your foot heats up during like long hours of skating. On the outside of the sneaker, this is the traditional rubber panel that you guys had on the previous Nyjah sneakers. It does come with white cement rubber throughout the whole entire shoe. Right here we just get this little texture matted swoosh. It's very similar to like a design of like your grip tape or something. It's on the left and the right side. The back of the heel right here we have this number 2 in Roman numerals. It's stamped Nike SB on the back. Nyjah bottom soles right here stamped with the Nike SB towards the back of the heel. And now the reason why they made a little bit of changes on this pair of sneaker and it's now a 2-piece versus a 1-piece is because the previous model actually was designed more for a narrow foot type of person, especially when Nyjah was explaining that he has a more narrow foot, as he mentioned, so he likes his sneakers to fit a lot more snug. In terms of fit on this pair of sneakers, I went true to size on this model is because I mainly want to use it for skateboarding. If I want to use it for more of a lifestyle, just like an everyday hangout shoe, I would definitely go a half size up versus my standard size. I'm usually a size 10 most of the time, and I got this one in a size 10 is because I like my skateboarding sneakers to fit a little bit more snug versus like my chilling sneakers. If your foot is ultra wide, you're gonna have to size up. If your foot is just pretty standard like mine, medium, a little bit wide, I was okay with going true to size. After you guys break them in, I definitely think this is gonna be a really good skateboarding sneaker at the end of the day. I think this model is gonna be really popular as well, and of course most of the time you definitely see more people with Janowskis. I definitely think you guys are gonna see the Nyjah 2s a lot more, especially the sneakers just being so good looking from the start, you know. Now I'm really not trying to sell you guys this pair of sneakers. I just want to go over the fit with you guys, especially when so many people is just curious about the fit, and in case if you guys aren't able to try them on in stores, especially this whole COVID thing is going on. Most of us don't have an opportunity to go into malls. That's why I did this video, just to see if it'll help anybody with these questions that you guys had. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, definitely drop them down in the comments below. Or if you guys have this pair of sneakers as well, definitely let people know your review about them as well. How do you guys feel in them? Let me know. Definitely let everybody know in the comments. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Lsaverftw is definitely signing out. This is my newest pickup of the Nyjah Free 2s right here. And also I did manage to get another pair as well, and it's gonna be the Olympic colorway. This one's also a size 10. It has the red on the inside. It has the nice gold on the outside of the shoe. This navy material is really clean.
A few moments later.